The following contest is scheduled for one fall, and it is for the Intercontinental Championship. Introducing first the challenger, from Florida, weighing 265 pounds, Roman Reigns. His opponent, accompanied by the Mistourage, residing in Hollywood, California, weighing 221 pounds. He is the Intercontinental Champion.
Oh, wait, look out!
Oh, Roman Reigns with a Superman punch to Axel and one to Dallas.
Roman knows what's at stake. This is a brilliant, brilliant strategy by the big dog. Take out the peripheral threats. Oh!
Drive by to Axel.
Now what this is right here, Roman Reigns had a whole week to think about that beating that he took last week and said, not going to happen again.
Now remember what Roman had said last week on Miz TV, you couldn't beat me one-on-one, Miz. You only win because of the Mistourage. And a brilliant move here by Roman Reigns, taking it to Axel and Dallas.
Can you imagine the thoughts this man, went through all week? I mean, just stewing and just festering in his mind. What am I going to do come Monday night?
Bad intentions in mind for Roman Reigns, perhaps.
The Intercontinental Champion, The Miz, looks panic-stricken with good reason.
Baby! Got to get physical around here now, man.
And Roman not going to jeopardize going after the champion here for his championship match.
But Roman's looking to get a little payback on the Mistourage for what they did to him last week with the steel chair.
This call right here, this is called a tattoo job right here.
Roman wants to take out the Mistourage, making an even playing field. And Curtis Axel, trying to fight back. Across the spine.
Roman swinging that thing like Nolan Arenado.
And Bo Dallas coming in to help out Curtis Axel here up on the stage.
I don't care how tough the big dog is, how focused he is. The numbers game.
Superman punch.
I thought it might have been a little too much to handle, but
Axel and Dallas earning their money tonight.